Tati, ty tomu stojanu dáváš pěkně zabrat. Proč se jednou neprojedeš?
Nebudeš se mi smát?
Ne, slibuju.
Já nevím jak.
Ty si děláš srandu. Ty nevíš jak?
Naučíš mě to?
Jasně.
You showed me everything now, took me by the hand. Puppy dogs and Lincoln logs and castles made of sand. You gave me the courage to spread my newborn wings, spread mayonnaise and marmalade and other spreadable things. So I guess you are my hero, and there's something you should know. I wanna make it clear, so I'm gonna sing it slow. If you weren't a man, and my father too, I'd buy a diamond ring and then I'd marry you.